Okay, right now opening up Madden 15 Ultimate Team Edition. Okay, I'm just gonna cut out the part of the video of me opening, taking off the plastic seal. First, show you the back cover, everything about it. Sadly, in this game, you can only play 2 to 4 players instead of 2 to 6, which you would be able to do on the PS3 for Madden 25. But I doubt a lot of people actually did that. But now, so there's no online team play anymore, which is really when the 6 people thing would come in. So I got a code to redeem my Ultimate Team, all my extra bonuses. And then here you got some coupons for Gillette and Duracell, which sponsor EA or the NFL, I guess. And then a thing for DirecTV. And here's the other side of the coupons for Gillette. Here's the nice PS4 disc. So sexy. Madden 15 Ultimate Edition. Out today.